In this video, we will demonstrate how to use JetBrains AI Assistant and JetBrains Rider to vibe code a simple user management CRUD application in ASP.NET using C# and the MVC pattern. A CRUD application is short for create, read, update, and delete. These are the basic actions for managing data and is a common thing to build out for an administrator to be able to maintain data. To begin, open up JetBrains Rider and create a new ASP.NET Default MVC Web Application. Open the AI Assistant window and begin to prompt the assistant. The first prompt I will use will define the overall goal with the details for what we are trying to and the context for what we have right now. In a step-by-step fashion, help me convert this default ASP.NET MVC web application project into an admin-style user management CRUD page. I want to convert the home page to achieve this. I want my users to have emails, names, phone numbers, and a status for if they are active or not. I want everything to look professionally styled using Bootstrap, as that is already included as part of the solution. The AI assistant will begin writing a lengthy output that will take a little while to render. Let's scroll to the top and work our way down. First, select the Models folder and click the New File button on the code sample for the AI Assistant to create the file for us. Next, open the Home Controller file and copy and paste the contents from the AI Assistant in replace of what we currently have. Then do the same thing for the View file. Copy the new index.cshtml contents and replace the existing file. Then select the Home folder from the Views directory and click Create New File for each of the new views the AI Assistant has created. If you notice the AI Assistant creating files with the wrong name, you can correct it as you go, otherwise they can be corrected later on. Finally, update the link in the layout file to include the CSS style sheet that the assistant says is now required for the new views. Once we have done the first draft, let's run the project to see how it works. The home page loads a table and now has a Create button. Clicking the Create button throws an error indicating it cannot find the create.cshtml file. This is due to the AI assistant creating the file with the wrong name. Just rename the file and move forward. Let's rerun the application and create a new user. It now works okay. Let's try to edit the user. This throws an error about the file not being found. Correct this issue and move forward. The edit functionality now works. However, if you notice, when we stop and start the application, all of the data goes away. This is because the data is stored in RAM only. Let's prompt the AI to persist the data for us. I'll give it the file with the business logic, which is the controller, as an attachment. Then write the following prompt. Okay, this looks great, but I want the data to persist after the application restarts. I don't want to use a database, just store the files on this machine somehow. The AI assistant will now write more instructions. Let's follow the instructions and create a services folder since we don't have one yet. Then use the Create File button on the code blocks for the services files to create them. Next, we'll open the program.cs file and add the line of code where it says to. If it is missing using statements, use the hotkey to automatically pull up the option to import those for us. Then copy and paste the new home controller code over the old code. The final step is optional, so we will just skip it. Let's rerun the application and see if it works. Add a user and restart the application to make sure the data stays. This now works. Let's edit the data and restart it again to see it still persists. And with that, we have completed a simple CRUD application for managing basic user data without writing any code, just vibe coding. Thanks for watching.